My name is Lindsay Quarry. I am electrical and computer engineer and materials engineer, and our project is the Flying Saucer Experience. After having come to New Mexico and built a radiation laboratory for New Mexico Tech, we wondered, wouldn't it be nice to have a visitor experience at the spaceport, which would involve a flying saucer. There is a real push for vertical takeoff and landing technologies. And there have been many companies who are trying to build flying cars, but nobody's really trying to build a flying saucer per se. And we have basically the only flying saucer in the world. Vertical takeoff and landing is not an easy technology to implement. However, this was implemented back in the 90s, and we're trying to take this from that time forward with an upgraded design to make that available to the public. So there's been some breakthroughs within the technology itself. Gyro navigation systems, which essentially will keep the craft stable at all times, so it knows which direction is up. Quadruple redundancy, so the failure of one system will lead to the failure of the entire craft. Rotary engines have high horsepower to weight ratio. That will allow the craft to be very controllable in terms of lift. The reason I believe personally that this can work is it's a technology whose time has come. It has flown before. There's been over 50 years of development. All the engineering aspects of it exist. There's nothing that makes it unfeasible. It's not that difficult to execute. So the funds are needed in two stages, and one is a static demonstration of the flight, which involves insurance, transportation costs. The primary goal is to, within 6 months, we'll have the flying saucer flying. So it's flown before, so we know it can fly. We need to retrofit the craft to the flight control system, the body, the blades for the propeller system, pre-flight demonstrations and checkout. So within the next year, we hope to take this to another level, whereby we have now created a next generation flying saucer. Don't miss out on the flying saucer experience. Thank you.